Ukraine will receive the first locally produced Lynx Infantry fighting vehicle from Rheinmetall by the end of this year, the German defense giant confirmed in its 2024 Q1 financial report. No further details were shared about the vehicle. However, the report mentioned a ramp-up in military vehicle production in Ukraine. It also talks about a recently opened armored vehicle maintenance and repair center in Ukraine, and the planned opening of an ammunition plant in the country within 24 months. A joint venture between Rheinmetall and the Ukrainian state firm Ukroboronprom was established for the reported $200 million armored vehicle plant in May 2023. The plant's inauguration took place a few months later. It is expected to have a future annual production capacity of 400 vehicles. Its precise location is being kept secret for security reasons but is reportedly somewhere in the country's west. Apart from Leopard tanks and Marder and Lynx infantry fighting vehicles, the factory is supposed to produce personnel carriers such as the Fuchs in service with the German army. The Lynx armored tracked vehicle features increased ballistic and fire protection. It is armed with a 30mm automatic cannon with a range of 3,000 meters (9,842 feet). It can also be outfitted with an anti-tank guided missile launcher and a remote-controlled weapon.